Welcome to Marfle. Today we are testing a pressure sensor with our data logger. One of our customers wants to measure certain pressures out of their gearbox to see that it's working properly. This will be done by installing this 0 to 5 volt sensor straight to the gearbox to see all the pressures that we need. We are going to use a grease gun to build pressure in our test equipment. These are the parts we need to make the tests. We need a pressure sensor, an analog gauge, some universal fittings and grease fittings, and a valve for pressure relief. Now we are going to assemble all the parts.